Hey everyone, this is Munmun. Welcome to my channel Educational Talk with Munmun. Now let's start today's topic. Today I will tell you about exclamatory sentence and imperative sentence. These two types of sentence I will tell you today. I have already posted that what is the sentence, kinds of sentences, and with that in detail the assertive and the interrogative sentences. If you have not checked it yet, go through the link I have given in the description box. Now I will tell you about exclamatory sentence. So what is an exclamatory sentence? The sentence which conveys a strong emotion about something. Once again I am repeating, the sentence which conveys a strong emotion about something is called as an exclamatory sentence. Remember, an exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. An exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Or in another version, you also can say that an exclamatory sentence is the strong, forced version of a declarative sentence, where a strong emotion is there. Okay? At that time, it will be known as an exclamatory sentence. Now, I am showing you some examples. See, exclamatory sentence examples. Generally, we use how words are so, like these words to show our emotion strongly. Like I have written here, see how fast he runs. Here, he runs too fast. That is why we are showing our emotions strongly, and I have used how words. So, how fast he runs. And remember, see, I have given an exclamation mark. This is an exclamation mark. Okay? Now, what a beautiful house. The house is too much beautiful. That is why I am expressing my views that what a beautiful house. So, this is also an exclamatory sentence. Here also I have given an exclamation sign. Now, the birthday cake was so good. Here, if I remove so, that is a declarative sentence here. See, the birthday cake was good. But as I add so, at the time it becomes an exclamatory sentence. The birthday cake was so good. And it ends with an exclamation sign. Next, you were such a liar. Here, if I remove such, at the time you were a liar. It is a declarative sentence, or you can say an assertive sentence. But when I am adding such, this word shows a strong emotion. So it is an exclamatory sentence. So you are such a liar. And I have finished this one with an exclamation mark. Remember one more thing. Many exclamation consist of one word. Many exclamation sentence consists of one word. Like help. When we sound like help, at that time it is in one word, but it shows us the exclamation of it. Now wow, like if I have seen something that is too much beautiful, I always just remark that wow. So it is also an exclamatory word. Now the blush. See, here I have written the blush. Blush word also is an exclamatory word. Okay. See, more of exclamatory sentence. Exclamations can also consist of word plus noun phrase. Means if I add word and with a noun phrase, it will be known as an exclamatory sentence. See, what a pity. A pity is a noun phrase and I have added word. With that it makes an exclamatory sentence. See, what a lovely day. Here also same thing happened. Now, how plus adjective. How plus adjective. Okay. What plus noun phrase and how plus adjective. So, how? Silly. Silly is an adjective. So, here it shows a strong emotion. Next one also you can see how kind of him. Here someone is referring that he is so kind. So, here also showing a strong emotion. So, that is why it is an exclamatory sentence. Okay. And you can say that in every sentence I have given an exclamation sign. Now, I will tell you about imperative sentence. So, what is an imperative sentence? An imperative sentence is the sentence which is used to convey a command or an order or a request or a forbiddance or a desire or any social expression. At that time it will be known as an imperative sentence. Once again I am repeating, then an imperative sentence is the sentence which is used to convey a command, an order, a request, a desire, a forbiddance or any kind of social expression. At that time it will be known as an imperative sentence. Remember one more thing is, this type of sentence always takes the second person, means you for the subject. Always takes the second person for the subject, and most of the time the subject remains hidden. Okay, remains silent. Means we generally do not use the subject in the imperative sentence. Okay. See now, imperative sentence examples here. Get well soon. Get well soon. Here the sentence is referring that social expression. So it is an imperative sentence. Get well soon. Now, on your marks, get set, go. Generally in sports we find that the referee is saying that on your mark, get set, go. So this is a command. So it is an imperative sentence. Now, would you feed the dog please? It is a request that someone is requesting that you please would you feed the dog. Next one, bring me a glass of water. It is an order that I'm ordering someone that go bring me a glass of water. Next, I wish I had a sports car. So this is a desire that I wish I had a sports car. So this is also an imperative sentence. Next one is don't go there. Here someone is forbidding someone, like it is the forbidden. Someone is telling not to go there. So this is also an imperative sentence. Okay, so here are the definitions and examples of exclamatory and imperative sentences. Hope you like the lesson, and I will come with another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Be safe. Bye bye.